Good evening, everyone. My name is Christian Dison, one of the PSBA HR students. So this night, I will show you my basic food and my home-made and home-available foods that we involve go, blow, grow. In short, I will show you my simple pinggang Pinoy. So, okay, let's go. Foods categories in my simple pinggan Pinoy. So, first is Go Foods. Go Foods are primarily source of energy, carbohydrates, and fats. So, one of my example is rice. So, rice a source of energy and for providing essential nutrients like vitamins B, magnesium, and selenium. Next is my Glow Foods are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining healthy and vibrant body. So, here are my two examples of Glow Foods. First is banana, then the second one is tomato. So what is the benefits of tomato in our body? Tomatoes improve heart and health, antioxidant and anti-cancer properties, and better skin and eye health. So the last one is banana. So it support heart health by helping regulate blood pressures, aid digestion and gut health, and provide energy. So next is my Grow Foods. It's provide protein, calcium, and iron. It can help support growth and development children, adolescents. So one of my best favorite and one of the example of Grow Foods is fish. So what is the benefits of fish to our body? It provides high quality protein and omega 3 fatty acids which support heart and brain healthy. So that's my basic pinggan Pinoy simple food. So and the last one is the most essential are is water. So huwag natin kakalimutan lagi uminom ng tubig 8 to 12 glasses. So okay. Okay nga. So natapos na natin na ipakita sa inyo at i-discuss ang mga maaring maging benepisyo nito sa ating katawan. So, ngayon, oras na para kainin natin 'to. So, kain tayo everyone. So, let's go.